Good morning, guys. What's up? Hoping everyone is safe and healthy. And today, right now, it's Saturday and the time is 7 o'clock. And I'm all decked up and with my backpack. And you can guess, yes, I am traveling. And after a long time, I'm traveling. So let me give you a hint where I am traveling. I'm traveling to Uttarakhand. The location you need to see the whole vlog to know where I'm traveling, but hoping this trip goes really good. So if you're traveling to Uttarakhand, COVID travel restrictions are still there in Uttarakhand right now, and for that you need to have RT-PCR negative report, which is 72 hours. It should be 72 hours old only. Or if you're not carrying RT-PCR negative report, then make sure you are vaccinated with both the doses. And also you need to register yourself for the e-pass when you're entering to Uttarakhand. But it is also mentioned on the website that you can get yourself registered at checkpoint also. Since we made plan in the night only, so we are not having any RT-PCR negative report, but all the persons who are traveling with me are vaccinated with both the doses. So we are all set to go and mask up and following all COVID protocol. We are ready to go. Let's set go and see you at the location. Bye-bye. Welcome to my channel, The Nick Diaries, and I can finally say welcome to a travel vlog because after lockdown and after so many months I am finally able to travel. It was like a random trip which we made it on time, like it was randomly made trip, let's go and travel. We were planning for going to various places like Ladakh, Spiti or some other places, but the plans were not following accordingly. At night we packed up, and on Saturday morning we are out for travel. And now let me tell you where I am. The capital, the spiritual capital, yoga capital of India, the Rishikesh. And behind me you can see the Ram Jhula, which is so beautiful, and you can see. And right now we have reached like around 2 o'clock, and you can see the weather is so beautiful. It's really fantastic weather. It was like when we came to Rishikesh, it is raining little, but now it is not raining, it is clear, but still the cloud is there, and the weather is really awesome to visit during this time because आपको गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगी and you can explore Rishikesh. So exactly we are not like for 2-3 days, we will be planning for how many days we will be here. So you will be seeing 3-4 vlogs, or I don't know how many vlogs in total you will be seeing. It will be like a series I will be showing for a vlog, like 3-4 series, or I don't know exactly how many vlogs will be there. But and also specifically it is not planned for how many days we have come. We have just like for relax and chilling we have come here to Rishikesh to explore Rishikesh. So we will be exploring that. I will be taking you to many spots, and we will be seeing which all spots will be going. After taking an afternoon nap, we will be going some places to explore in Rishikesh. Come along with me. So let's go. So before we start with our vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit on the bell icon also, so that whenever a new video is being uploaded, you are being notified about it. Also, if you are on Instagram, don't forget to follow me, The Nick Diaries. I will drop the link of my Instagram handle in description box. Do check out. Rishikesh is a spiritual capital and yoga capital of India. You will find many people here doing yoga, taking meditation classes, and lot which connect you with yourself. So this type of thing, if you're a person, then Rishikesh is for you. And Rishikesh is one of the famous place also because it's a very nearest gateway, weekend gateway for the people of North India, like who's staying in Delhi, UP, Haryana, Punjab, because it just take approx like 5 to 6 hours to reach Rishikesh, and it has really a good weather and good vibe, and you feel the peace here. So I travel from Delhi. So from Delhi it's like approx 250 kilometer here to travel. You can travel by car, you can travel by train, you can travel by even bus. They have local buses, you can come by that also, and even you can travel by airplane. Where you have the nearest airport is Dehradun airport, where you need to get down, and from there you need to take a taxi or something and need to come here. So, and also Rishikesh have lot of significance in our Hindu mythology, and as well as you will find lot of ashrams here, lot of gurukuls here. So it has really lot of significance, and even the river Ganga, which gives the peaceness and everything to us. It's evening time and the weather in Rishikesh is so wonderful. So after taking afternoon nap, we are ready to explore the Rishikesh. So right now I'm at spot number 1 for exploring, that is Janki Setu. If you can see behind me, the whole bridge, it's beautifully made, and you can see the movement of vehicles as well as people on foot. After a lot of delayment in the project, finally it was inaugurated on 20th November 2020 by the Chief Minister Mr. Rawat, and the total cost of this project was around 48.83 crore when the project. So let's go and explore this Janki Setu. Now I'm in front of Janki Setu Pul, and you can see proper lane is being mentioned here, that this is for motor vehicle and this is for the people who are walking by foot, and the other side is also by motor vehicle. They have mentioned that don't go in this line, and you can see proper everything is mentioned, how much is the Jhula taxi stand, a proper signage, everything is done here. And you can see the view, and this beautiful view, mountains and everything. And the best part is proper railing done है, जिससे congested नहीं हो रहा है this pull, because basically if you travel to Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula, the major part is that it do get congested due to the movement of vehicle as well as people. So this is the best part, that this have been separated, and proper lights, you can see the lamps and everything is done so properly, and this is the really good bridge has been made, and the Ganga view also you can enjoy when you are traveling. Let me share a very interesting fact about Janki Setu, that it is an only suspension bridge with 3 lanes in whole Uttarakhand. और हम ये जानकी सेतु क्रॉस करके we came to this side, and you can see the view, and you can see the vast Ganga river. It's so huge. Flow is really high right now, and it's evening time, and you can see the view. The clouds are down and the mountains in front of you, and all the view of Rishikesh is so beautiful right now. And you can see the temples, Parmar Niketan in front of this in this video, and you can even see the Ram Jhula in the video, and the atmosphere is really good right now. It was like monsoon is not for Rishikesh, but I feel monsoon is really nice in Rishikesh. You can see the view. You will fall in love with this view, and you will really like why I'm not in Rishikesh right now. And आप सामने ये इतनी प्यारी पेंटिंग भी देख सकते हो of Lord Hanuman ji, which is made at the entrance of Janki Setu Pul, and it's so beautifully made. And you can see Lord Hanuman ji is praying in front of Ma Sita. It's there in the picture. It's really beautiful picture. You can see the painting done here. After visiting Janki Setu, we are going back towards Parmar Niketan. So we are taking this route. This goes to Parmar Niketan, this whole lane, and we will see if we can catch up with the Ganga Aarti. I will show it to you. And sunset ho chuka hai, and you can see the view in front of you, the Rishikesh view, which is so good, and the layers of sunset is still visible. And ये proper घाट्स बने हुए जहाँ पर आप बैठ सकते हो with peace and near to Ganga Ma, and you can enjoy your time or your self-sitting time, self-exploration you can do. So let's go and see Ganga Aarti. So right now we are at Parmar Niketan. So let me show you how the Parmar Niketan Ghat looks like, and the ashram. I can't visit ashram because I'm not staying there, so I can just give a glimpse from outside, but definitely I can give a tour of Parmar Niketan Ghat. So let's come, Jojo, chalo tour dene. finally I am at the ghat and you can see Aarti is just going to start. So just let pray and worship and take the blessings of Ganga Ma from this Aarti. So here is the Aarti for all of you, and Ganga Ma is showering a lot of blessings upon you. So at Ganga Ghat, I met some of the old age women and they also joined the Aarti. Asked them how was the experience for them and how many times they have seen this Aarti, how many times they have visited the spiritual city of India, and so let's talk to them.
आंटी आज आपने आरती अटेंड की, कैसी थी आप बताएंगे कुछ अपने एक्सपीरियंस?
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस तो है कि ऋषिकेश जैसा स्थान दुनिया में कहीं नहीं है। मैं तो अमेरिका, इंग्लैंड, स्विट्जरलैंड सब जगह घूम के आई हूँ और इंडिया के भी मोस्टली सब धार्मिक स्थल देखे हैं, लेकिन जो शांति, जो सुकून और जो पावित्र्य यहाँ ऋषिकेश में है वो कहीं नहीं है। और पिछले 10 सालों से हम लोग रेगुलर साल में 2 बार आते हैं और यहाँ 15 से 20 दिन रहते हैं और पूरे साल भर की एनर्जी लेके जाते हैं। तो ये स्थान मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है और मैं सबको बोलती भी हूँ कि ज़िंदगी में एक बार आओ और यहाँ 8-10 दिन रहो, देखो, गंगा माँ के दर्शन करो और नहाओ और भागो मत। ये आके रहने की जगह है, साधना करने की जगह है और लाइफ में अंदर तक इनर यात्रा करने की जगह है। मुझे भी अच्छा लगा कि तुम यंग लोग आके ऋषिकेश में एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो। जैसे मैं पांडिचेरी भी गई थी तो वहाँ भी इतने यंगस्टर आके एक्सप्लोर करते हैं अपनी लाइफ को।
ट्रेडिशन हो गया है,
ट्रेडिशन हो गया है। तो तुम लोग करते हो, गंगा माँ को श्रद्धा भाव से ये सब करते हो, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Thank you, aunty.
As you see in our video, we met few people who were from Indore and they were really good and they talked to us a lot and they told a lot of things about life and other stuff. And it was really good experience to see them, so lively and they were so vibrant to talk. They were amazing people. And when you are traveling and exploring, you get to see so beautiful people and so vibrant people always. So whenever you are traveling, try to talk to people and converse with them and know them. What's their opinion, what's different they can give you or give a teaching to you. So here is the pro tip. This is Nick signing off from Paramaniketan. So see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you in next vlog. Bye bye. Traveling to cook. चीफ मिनिस्टर ने किया था।